Hi guys, welcome and welcome in today's video. So today I'm going to share with you how you can make your WhatsApp profile photo only visible to selected contacts. So if this is the first time of you seeing me, please do well to hit the subscribe or the follow button, because here I'm going to share with you tips and tricks on how you can use your phone and your computer. So do that so that you can see more of my videos, and also don't fail to give me a thumbs up, because that really means a lot to me. So without much wasting of our time, can we go into the video? Alright, let's move into the video. So all you need to do is to quickly grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Then you tap on this three button right here. I hope you can see it. I mean this one right here. Hey, that one. After tapping on it, this will appear, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to tap on the settings right here. So tap on the settings. After that, go on privacy, and then on profile photo. Then what you are required to do here is to tap on the my contact accept. Tap on it, and then here all you need to do is just to select those ones that you don't want them to see your profile image. Those ones that you select will not see your profile image at all. It will be like this, just as you see here, while the one that you have not ticked will be the only one that will see your profile image. So select those ones that you don't want them to see your profile image. After that, tap on the right button right here, and then bam, you have successfully made your profile image invisible to only selected contacts. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to it, or you press on the follow button so that you won't miss any video on how to use your phone and computer. You can even share it to your friends and family so that they can also learn at the same time. I'll see you in some of the next video. Bye for today.